Did you know there's a delicious way to lose weight and feel energized? Imagine shedding pounds while sipping on tasty, refreshing drinks. Juicing could be your secret weapon. But does it really work? And which juices are best for weight loss? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the world of juicing for weight loss. And I'll reveal the most effective recipes to kickstart your journey. Welcome to Wellness Journey. If you're new here, we cover all things health, weight loss, and wellness. Today, we're unlocking the power of juicing. It's not just a trend, it's a science-backed method to boost metabolism, detox your body, and yes, help you lose weight. By the end of this video, you'll know how to juice effectively, avoid common mistakes, and supercharge your weight loss goals. Can drinking juice really help you lose weight? Absolutely. Juicing helps by reducing calorie intake while still delivering essential nutrients. Fresh juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can curb cravings, detox your body, and improve digestion. However, the key is choosing the right ingredients. Green juices, for instance, are low in calories but rich in fiber and nutrients that keep you full longer. Have you ever tried juicing? What's your favorite juice combo? Let me know in the comments. What should you put in your juice to burn fat? Not all ingredients are created equal when it comes to weight loss. Here are some superstars: kale and spinach. Low-calorie, nutrient-dense greens that boost metabolism. Cucumber, hydrating and refreshing. Perfect for flushing toxins. Lemon and ginger. They rev up digestion and have fat-burning properties. Apples and berries. Add natural sweetness without spiking blood sugar too much. Create your own weight loss juice recipe using at least 3 of these ingredients and share it below. Is juicing better than blending? Or should you do both? Juicing extracts the liquid and nutrients from fruits and veggies, leaving behind the fiber. This makes it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients quickly. But without fiber, you might not feel full for long. Blending keeps the fiber intact, which helps with satiety. So what's the solution? You can combine both. Juice in the morning for a quick nutrient boost and blend in the afternoon for a filling snack. Are you team juice or team smoothie? Vote in the comments. Why do some people fail at juicing for weight loss? The biggest mistakes are too much fruit, high in sugar, which can lead to weight gain. Skipping meals. Juicing isn't a meal replacement. It's a supplement. Lack of variety. Using the same ingredients can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Remember, balance is key. Which mistake have you made before? No shame, we've all been there. Want a quick fat-burning juice recipe? Here's one of my favorites: 1 cucumber, a handful of spinach, 1 green apple, half a lemon, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Juice everything together, pour over ice, and enjoy. This combo detoxes your liver, boosts metabolism, and keeps you energized. Try this recipe and tell me how you feel. Better yet, post a picture and tag us. Juicing for weight loss isn't just about drinking healthy. It's about transforming your lifestyle. Start small, experiment with different ingredients, and listen to your body. Which juice recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy and happy juicing. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.